Ram 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 Sarvebhyaha. Welcome to Learning to Chant Sriman Narayaniam class number 47. We will begin with the Dhyana Shlokas. Gurureva Gatirgurumeva Bhaje Gurunaiva Sahasmi Namo Gurave Na Guroh Paramam Shishurasmi Guroho Matirasti Gurau Mama Pahi Guro Shrikanto Matulo Yasya Janani Sarvamangala Janaka Shankaro Devaha Tam Vande Kunjarananam Pitambaram Karavirajita Shankha Chakra Kaumodaki Sarasijam Karuna Samudram Radha Sahayamati Sundara Mandahasam Bhatalaye Manisham Hridi Bhavayami. We will revise Dashakam 25 today. I will only do the whole revision of Dashakam 25. And then we will have mock tests. So today we will have only Parayanam mock tests for as many Dashakams as possible. First, I will start the mock tests with Spurti and Amogha, our panelists, for Dashakam 1 to 4. After that, the students who want can raise their hands and I will take tests 2 Dashakams at a time. It is all mock test today. Today is not the real test. So those who want to have a kind of revision and we will be able to see how the mock test goes on. So I will make some corrections. We will see how to take it forward. Then at the end, I will also tell how mock test will be conducted. I will also send an email instructions. Still, I will tell you how the test real will be conducted in the following week. I hope all of you have received the forms for registration. Few people have already registered. I have seen that. So the registration is open till Monday. If you have not registered, then Amogha, I hope you have the link. Just paste it on the chat box so that everybody gets it. So now I will revise Dashakam 25, then we will go forward. अथ पञ्चविंशतितमं दशकम् स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपोः कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन् आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरो घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः श्रुत्वा यङ्किल दैत्यराजहृदये पूर्वं कदाप्यश्रुतम् कम्पः कश्चन सम्पपात चलितोऽप्यम्भोजभूर्विष्टरात् दैत्ये दिक्षु विसृष्टचक्षुषि महासंरम्भिणि स्तम्भतः सम्भूतन्न मृगात्मकन्न मनुजाकारं वपुस्ते विभो किं भीषणमेतदद्भुतमिति व्युद्भ्रान्तचित्ते सुरे विस्फूर्जद्धवलोग्ररोमविकसद्वर्ष्मा समाजृम्भथाः तप्तस्वर्णसवर्णघूर्णदतिरुक्षाक्षं सडाके सरप्रोत्कम्पप्रणिकुम्बितम्बरमहो जीयात्तवेदं वपुः व्याप्तव्याप्तमहादरी सखमुखं खड्गोग्रवल्गन्महाजिह्वा निर्गमदृश्यमानसुमहादंष्ट्रायुगोड्डामरम् उत्सर्पद्बलिभङ्गभीषणहनुं ह्रस्वस्थवीयस्तरग्रीवं पीवरदोष्यतोद्गतनखक्रूरांशुदूरोल्बणम्. I'll repeat it. It will be Hanu only. उत्सर्पद्बलिभङ्गभीषणहनुः ह्रस्वस्थवीयस्तरग्रीवं पीवरदोष्यतोद्गतनखक्रूरांशुदूरोल्बणम्. व्योमोल्लङ्घि घनाघनोपमघन प्रध्वान निर्धावितस्पर्धालुप्रकरन् नमामि भवतस्तन्नारसिंहं वपुः नूनं विष्णुरयन्निहन्यमुमिति भ्राम्यद्गदाभीषणम् दैत्येन्द्रं समुपाद्रवन्तमधृथा दोर्भ्यां पृथुभ्याममुम् वीरो निर्गलितोऽथ खड्गफलके गृह्णन् विचित्रश्रमान् व्यावृण्वन् पुनरापपात भुवनग्रासोद्यतं त्वामहो भ्राम्यन्तं दितिजाधमं पुनरपि प्रोद्गृह्य दोर्भ्याञ्जवात् द्वारेथोरुयुगे निपात्य नखरान् व्युत्खाय वक्षो भुवि निर्भिन्दन्नधिगर्भनिर्भरगलद्रक्ताम्बुबद्धोत्सवम् पायं पायमुदैरयो बहुजगत्संहारि सिंहारवान् त्यक्त्वा तं हतमाशु रक्तलहरी सिक्तोन्नमद्वर्ष्मणि प्रत्युत्पत्य समस्तदैत्यपटलीं चाखाद्यमाने त्वयि भ्राम्यद्भूमिविकम्पिताम्बुधिकुलं व्यालोलशैलोत्करम् प्रोत्सर्पत्खचरं चराचरमहो दुःस्थामवस्थां दधौ तावन्मांसवपाकरालवपुषं घोरान्त्रमालाधरम् त्वां मध्ये सभमिद्धकोपमुषितं दुर्वारगुर्वारवम् अभ्येतुन्न शशाक कोऽपि भुवने दूरे स्थिता भीरवः सर्वे शर्वविरिञ्च वासवमुखाः प्रत्येकमस्तोषत भूयोऽप्यक्षतरोषधं निभवति ब्रह्मज्ञया बालके प्रह्लादे पदयोर्नमत्यपभये कारुण्यभाराकुलः शान्तस्त्वं करमस्य मूर्ध्नि समधा स्तोत्रैरथोद्गायतः तस्य कामधियोऽपि ते निथवरं लोकाय चानुग्रहम् एवन्नाटितरुद्रचेष्टितविभो श्रीतापनीयाभिध श्रुत्यन्तस्फुटगीत सर्वमहिमन्नत्यन्तशुद्धाकृते तत्तादृङ्निखिलोत्तरं पुनरहो कस्त्वां परो लङ्घयेत् प्रह्लादप्रिय हे मरुत्पुरपते सर्वामयात् पाहि माम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये नरसिंहावतारन्नाम पंचविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते. Now we will begin the mock tests. First I will do the mock test for Spurti for Dashakam 1 and 2. So in mock tests, I will not be sharing any screen. You have to have the book in your hands. I will stop sharing the screen now. You will see only my video and Spurti's video. So she will have a book in her hand and I will ask and she will recite. So same follows for everyone. When I ask you to raise your hands, please raise your hand. Now please don't raise your hands.
I'll begin.
Yeah, you can begin.
अथ प्रथमं दशकम् सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम्.
Can start shloka number 4.
Shloka number 4. निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानन्द पीयूषरूपे निर्लीनानेकमुक्तावलि सुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिन्धौ कल्लोलोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तदात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचस्त्वत्कलास्वेव भूमन् निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियामीक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोदेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले.
Shloka number 7, second line.
इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमचितमया नैव मद्याभिजाने नो चेज्जीवाः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चिद्रसार्द्रम् नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधाम्बोधिपूरे रमेरन् नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानभ्यर्थान्.
Dashakam 2, shloka 2, third line. Kanchit kanchana.
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चितलसत्पीताम्बरालम्बिनी मालम्बे विमलाम्बुजत्वं प्रत्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवातिच्छिदम् यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि
Shloka
सौन्दर्य
4, third line. Tenasyabata.
तेनास्यावत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोऽव्यकप्रेमस्थैर्यमदा प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलाच्चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृदैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनास्तेष्वेष वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा
Dashakam 1, Shloka 10. Aishwaryam.
ऐश्वर्यं शङ्करादीश्वरविनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजः संहारिवीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम् अङ्गासङ्गा सदा श्रीरखिलविदसि न क्वापि ते सङ्गवार्ता तद्वातागारवासिन्मुरहर भगवत्सप्तमुख्याश्रयोऽसि
Dashakam 2, Shloka 9, third line. Klishtva tarkapathe.
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुर्बर्हाख्यमन्ये पुनश्चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य
Repeat.
बहुविस्सित
Klishtva.
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव
Brahmakyam.
ओके क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुर्ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतझरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति तन्वती सद्यः सिद्धिकरी जयत्यति विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पदप्रेम प्रौढिरसार्द्रता धृततरं वातालयाधीश्वर
Continue. Finish that. Iti Shriman.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये भगवद्रूपवर्णनं नाम द्वितीयं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते
Okay, good. So in a couple of places there was small that is chanting mistake, that Mahaprana one place you missed and Brahmakhya. So like that, this is how test will be. We'll continue to Dashakam 3 and 4 with Amogha. So this serves as a revision of most of the Dashakas and also as a Amogha. You can start with Shloka number 2 in third Dashakam.
गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽप्यनासक्तं चित्तं भवति बत विष्णो कुरुदजाम् भवत्पादां भोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहङ्कायङ्गायं पुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने
Shloka 5, third line. Na ched vyasasyoktih.
न चेत् व्यासस्योक्तिः तव च वचनन्नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्यारथ्या पुरुषवचनप्राजमखिलम् भवद्भक्तिस्तावत् प्रमुखमधुरा त्वद्गुणरसात् किमप्यारूढा चेत् अखिलपरितापप्रशमनी पुनश्चान्ते स्वान्ते विमलपरिबोधोदजमिलन् महानन्दात्वैदं दिशति किमतः प्रार्थ्यमपरम् विधूय क्लेशान्मे कुरु चरणयुक्
Shloka number 9, last line. Bhavad bhaktottam sam.
भवद्भक्तोत्तमं कंसञ्झटति कुरु मां कंसदमन किमुक्तैर्भूजोभिस्तव हि करुणाजावदुदिजातहं तावद्देव प्रहितविविधात्तः प्रलपितः पुरः क्लृप्ते पादे वरद तव नेष्यामि दिवसान् यथाशक्तिव्यक्तम् नतिनुति निषेवा विरचयन् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
फोर्थ दशकम थर्ड श्लोक तारमंतर अनुचिन्त्य
तारमन्तरनुचिन्त्य सन्ततम् प्राणवायुमभियम्य निर्मलाः इन्द्रियाणि विषयादथापहृत्यास्महे भवदुपासनोन्मुखाः इत्थमभ्यसन निर्भरोल्लसत्त्वत्परात्मसुखकल्पितोत्सवाः मुक्तभक्तकुलमौलिताङ्गताः सञ्चरेम शुकनारदादिवत् त्वत्समाधिविजयेतु यः पुनर्मङ्क्षुभोगरसिकः क्रमेण वा योगवश्यमलिनं षडाश्रयैरुन्नयत्यजसुषुम्नयाशनैः
फोर्थ दशकम 14th श्लोक थर्ड लाइन तत्तदात्मकतया
तत्तदात्मकतया विशन् सुखी याति ते पदमनावृतं विभो अर्चिरादिगतिमीदृशीं व्रजन् विच्युतिन्न भजते जगत्पते
श्लोक नंबर 11 प्रापितो रविपदम्
भवत्परो मोदवान् ध्रुवपदान्तमीयते आस्थितो तमहरालजे जताशेषवक्त्रदहनोष्मणाद्यते ईयते भवदुपाश्रयस्तदा वेधसः पदमतः पुरैव वा तत्र वा तपपदेऽथ वा वसन् प्राकृतः प्रलयतेति मुक्तताम् स्वेच्छया खलु पुरा विमुच्यते संविभिद्य जगदण्डमोजसा.
Good. We'll stop with that. 3 and 4 are over. Now from 5, the students, you can raise your hands to recite. Okay, we will make you a panelist. So raise your hands if you have the video camera capability. So I want you to switch on your camera also when you are reciting. So similarly, we will go. Next one, I will ask Dashakams 5 and 6 for the next person. So you will be made a panelist. I think we can start. Amogha, you can make those who have raised their hands one by one, you can make them a panelist. So I will ask Dashakams like this and you can recite. I hope you have an idea. So you should have the book in your hand. As you see, I'm not sharing the screen. So we will start with A.S. Swaminathan. A.S. Swaminathan, you can unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Ram.
Ram. You have unmuted yourself. You can switch on your video. Yes, it's coming. Good. Ram. So we will. You can begin Dashakam 5.
व्यक्तमिथं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राप्ताकृतप्रक्षये मायायां गुणयां समृद्धमिद्धो प्रिया कथायां लयं नो मृत्युश्च तथां तत्रैकत्वमधिष्यता किल परानन्दः प्रकाशात्मना कालकर्म गुणात्यजीवनिवहा विश्वं च कार्यं विभो.
Dashakam 5, Shloka 5. Go to Shloka 5. Tatraso
त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च मघा सप्तप्रधानस्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमगमे धृतोदनिष्पातकः चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधमगमन् तत्त्वं मगान् कल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोधिबहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्. सोऽहं च त्रिगुणक्रमा त्रिविधता आसाद्य वैकारिको भूयत्तै च तामथा विधि भवन्.
Dashakam 5, Shloka 8, third line. Evam
माधव पूर्वकलनाद् आद्यात्यधर्मान्वितं भूतग्राममिमं त्वमेव भगवन् प्राकादयत्तामसात् एते भूतगणा तदेन्द्रियगणा देवाच्च जाता पृथक् नो चेकुर्भुवनाण्डनिर्मितविदो देवैरमीभिस्तथा त्वं
Shloka number
नाना
10, third line. Sahasraihi.
साहस्रैः करपादमूर्धनिवगै निःसेद जीवात्मको निर्भादोचितमरुत्पुरादिवसमां त्रायस्स सर्वामयात्
Dashakam 6, Shloka 2. Janghe talatalamatho.
जङ्गे तलातलमतो सुतलं च जानु किञ्चोर्भागयुगलं वितलातलेभ्ये श्रोणीतलं जगनमम्बुरमङ्गनाभिः वक्षश्च चक्रनिलयस्तव चक्रपाणे ग्रीवामघत्तव मुखं च जनुस्तवस्तु फालं शिरस्तव समस्तमयस्त सत्यम् एवं जगन्मयतनो जगदात्रिदैः अन्ये निभत्तवपुषे भगवन्नमस्ते तत्ब्रह्मरन्ध्र परमीश्वर विश्वगन्ध
Shloka number
चन्दांसिके
7, third line. Kukshi samudra nivaha.
कुक्षिः समुद्रनिवका वसनं तु सन्ध्ये सेव प्रजापतिरथो वृषणौ च मित्रः श्रोणिस्थलं मृगघना पतयोर्नगास्ते कश्चुष्ट्रसंज्ञत्वमुखा गमनं तु कालः विप्रादिवर्णभवनं वदनाब्जबाहु चारूरयुग्मचरणं करुणाम्बुदेते संसार चक्रमयि चक्रधर क्रियास्ते
Last shloka. Idrik jaganmaya vapuho.
ईदृग्जगन्मयवभूत्तव कर्म भाजा कर्मावसानं समये स्मरणीयमागुः तस्यान्तरात्मवपुषे विपुलात्मने ते वातालयाधिप नमोऽस्तु निरिन्दिरोगान्
Good.
नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते
You told very fluently. Some places, some spelling mistake. That is okay. That's all. So as we go on, I will answer a few other questions. Are there any unanswered questions here? Okay. I think all the questions are answered. Next panelist is Lakshmi Sundararajan. You unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste. You do not have video?
I don't know how to switch on video. I'm on the mobile, so it's got video.
Oh, okay. Mobile for this, it doesn't show video. Anyway,
Okay.
for go to meeting, it doesn't show video. Anyway, no problem. Okay, we will go to Dashakam 7. You start with Shloka number 3 in Dashakam 7. Kosau mama vadat.
कोऽसौ मामवदत् पुमानिति जला पूर्णे जगन्मण्डले दिक्षु द्वीक्ष्य किमप्यनीक्षितवता वाक्यार्थमुत्पश्यता दिव्यं वर्षसहस्रमात्ततपसा तेन त्वमाराधितः तस्मै
Shloka
दर्शितवानस्
number 6, third line. Tvatpadambuja.
त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैककुतुका लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवं तत्ते पदं देहि मे तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीटकटकाद्याकल्पदीप्राकृति
Shloka number 10, second line. Bodhaste.
बोधस्ते भविता न सर्गविधिभिर्बन्धोऽपि सञ्जायते इत्याभाष्य गिरं प्रतोष्य नितरां तञ्चित्तगूढस्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदैरयः स भगवन्नुल्लासयोल्लाघताम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये ब्रह्मणः जन्मः तपः तथा वैकुण्ठदर्शनं चेति सप्तमं दशकं समाप्तं। नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते।
Continue. 8th दशकम्.
एवं तावत् प्राकृत प्रक्षयान्ते ब्राह्मे कल्पे ह्यादिमे लब्ध जन्मा ब्रह्मा भूयस्त्वत्त एवाप्यवेदान् सृष्टिं चक्रे पूर्वकल्पोपमानाम्। सोऽयं चतुर्युगः सहस्रमितान्यहानि
Shloka
तावन्
number 4, last line. Paschad dinavattarane.
which okay. पश्चाद्दिनावतरणे च भवद्विलासान् दिनावसानेऽथ सरोजयोनिः सुषुप्तिकामस्त्वयि सन्निलील्ये जगन्ति च त्वज्जठरं समीयुः तदेदमे कार्णवमास विश्वम् तवैव वेषे फणिराजिशेषे
It is not funny.
जलैकशेषे
It is khani. You should say
Khani.
pa, ha. It is not F sound. It is pa, ha.
तवैव देशे फणिराजिशेषे जलैकशेषे भुवने
Shloka number
स्मशेषे
8, last line. Prabodhayatvam.
प्राबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ विबुध्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायिन् विलोक्य लोकान् अखिलान् प्रलीनान् तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तः स्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम्
Okay, good.
ततस्त्व
Good. We'll stop with that. Good.
Okay.
Next,
Thanks.
we will go with Shyamala Ramachandran. Among you can, those who have finished, you can exit them as panelists. Shyamala Ramachandran, you can unmute yourself and switch on the web camera. Okay, if not Shyamala Ramachandran, then who? Radha. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Shyamala.
Yes.
Ram. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Sir,
Yeah,
I have
I
not
can-
received the. I have not received the mail for the test.
Now the link has been sent on the chat box. You can use that to register. And if you have not received the mail, just send me a mail. I'll send you the link also. But the link is already here. I will add you to the group for later mails. The link for whoever has not received the link is here. You can register. The link is on the chat box.
Start Dashakam 9.
Yes, Dashakam 9.
स्थितः स कमलोद्भवस्तव हिनाभिपङ्केरुहे कुतस्विदितमम्बुदौदितमित्यनालोकयन् तदीक्षणकुतूहलात् प्रतिदिशं विवृत्तानन चतुर्वदनताम्
Continue.
No, that book, it's not, print is not all right. Chatur Vadanatamadadi Kasa Dashta Drishyam Bujam Mahanavavidu Gurnita Kamalaveva Tatkevalam
Shloka
Vilokya
number
Tadupa.
6, second line. Manispurita Mekhalam.
मणिस्फुरितमेकलं सुपरिवीतपीताम्बरं कलाय कुसुमप्रभं गलतलोल्लसत्कौस्तुभं वपुस्तयदयि भावये कमलजन्मने दर्शितं श्रुतिप्रकरदर्शितप्रचुरवैभव श्रीपते हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमु वैशिदिष्ट्या वृषोः कुरुष्वधिय
Third line. Udikshya kila kampitam.
उदीक्ष्य किल कम्पितं पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना भवद्बलविजृम्भित पवनपाथसि पीतवान् तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव स प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीं प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
Shloka number 2.
मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीति अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा
Here, lot
उद्दामता
of people, you are making this mistake. When there is a visarga, you have to let out the air and tell the visarga. In the first line, for example, there is vikopabhitihi. You should not tell vikopabhiti. The visarga, the two dots are there. So you would say vikopabhitihi. That you finish the swara and that hakara, that the air should come out. It is not ha, but the air should come out from the throat. Bhitihi. Tell it again.
विकोपभीतिः अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा उद्धामतामसपदार्थविधानदूनः तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै.
Next, we'll go to shloka number 9. Vedan Purana.
वेदान् पुराण निवहानपि सर्वविद्या कुर्वन् निजानन गणाचतुराननोऽसौ पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय वृद्धिम् अप्राप्नुवन् तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत् जानन्नुपायमथ देहमजो विभज्य स्त्रीपुंसभावम भजन् मनुतत्वदूभ्यां ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयं स्वं गोविन्दमारुतपुराधि परुन्दिरोगान्.
Repeat the last line.
ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयं स्वं गोविन्दमारुतपुराधि परुन्दिरोगान्.
Well said. We will go to Dashakam 11. Radha Ram Mohan.
Thank you.
Was Radha Ram Mohan over? No. Confused. Radha Ram Mohan. Namaste. Yeah. After Radha Ram Mohan, we will go with Suvarna Sudagoni. Yeah, you can start Dashaka 11, first sloka, third line. Bhavad Vilokaya. Can you hear me? Radha Ram Mohan, you are on mute. Your video is seen, but you are on mute.
Now I'm unmuted, no?
So you are unmuted. Yeah, you can tell now.
Bhagat vilokaya vikuntalokam prapedhire marutamandireshe manokyanaiश्रेयसकाननाध्यैः अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनोपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनिश्ररा प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः भविदृशून् भवनं विविक्षून् ध्वास्तौ जयस्तान् विजयोऽप्यरुन्धाम् तेषां च चित्ते पदमापकोपः सर्वं भवत्प्रेरणयैव भूमन् वैकुण्ठलोकानुचितप्रतिष्ठौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्य प्रसाद्यगीर्भिः स्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रान् अनान्यनाथावतपार्श्वधौतौ संरम्भयोगेन भवैश्रीभिर्माम् उपेतम् इत्यात्कृपं न्यगादीः त्वदीयभृत्यावत कश्यपार्थौ सुरारिवीरा उदितौ दितौ द्वौ सन्ध्यासुमा
third shloka. Ha ha vibho.
हा हा विभो जलमहं न्यपितं पुरस्तात् अध्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी
Okay, good.
अंकुश
just want to point out something. So generally this mistake also happens. A lot of people, even when there is alpa prana, you are telling mahaprana. For example,
Okay.
adhyapi, the dakara is alpa prana. It's just adhyapi, not adhyapi.
Okay.
Similarly
Okay,
with twadangri yugalam, the dakara, the first dakara, it's not twadangri, it is twadangri yugalam. So like that in many
Okay.
places it happens. So I'm just pointing out a couple of
Okay.
places, and it happens with many people.
Okay.
So to point out these mistakes only, we are having this mock test. So just what
Yes, sir.
you are
Yes,
telling mahapranas, you are telling mahapranas in places of alpa pranas
yeah.
also. That
I
should
know
not
it
happen.
comes some days. Okay.
Okay. Good. Just tell the 10th shloka of this dashakam. Abhyudharan.
अभ्युद्धरत्नत घरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा उद्धूत घोर सलिला जलधेरुदञ्जन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Good.
श्रीमन्नारायण.
Good. Yeah. Good.
Thank
We
you.
will go
Thank
to
you.
the next. Thank you. Next is Suvarna Sudagoni. You can unmute yourself and switch on camera. After that is Baya Umadevi. Yeah. Suvarna Sudagoni. Dashakam 13, first shloka, third line. Bhavad Bhakto Gatva. You are muted. Your video is on, you are muted.
Sorry. भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीत् नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन् दनुजमपि निन्दस्तव बलम् समायावि विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगदितः नदन् पासाविति समुनिना.
Shloka number 5. Mahachakram smritva.
महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुचिषे ततः शूलङ्कालप्रतिमर्षि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयिच्छन्दत्येनत् करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मृष्ट्या स खलु वितुतं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Dashakam 14, Garudopari. Third shloka.
गरुडोपरि कालमेघक्रमं विलसत् केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मम् असितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्पुरुषे स्म कर्दमाया स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः. समनु. You said something, sir?
No, you continue.
समनुष्यतरूपाय महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवरीति नारदोपदिष्टः समगात् कर्दममागति प्रतीक्षम्.
Good. So you need little more practice in the fluency. Some letters are getting exchanged, some letters are getting missed. Good.
Yes.
You are suddenly I asked you to recite, which is good. You have a week more to practice. Well done.
Thank you.
We'll go to Dashakam 15, which is Baya Umadevi. After her is Panchanadam Swaminathan. Baya Umadevi, you can switch on your video also if possible. Shloka number 2, second line. Api hridapi dashakshi.
Shloka number 2.
Second line. Api hridapi dashakshi.
Api hridapi dasakshi purushah panchavimchah iti vidita vibhago muchyate sau prakritya
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवह्युत्यैन्यकादीः प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैर्न्याद्यते पुरुषोऽयं यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवह्युत्यैन्यकादीः विमलमतिरूपात्तैरासनाद्यैर्मदङ्गं गरुड
number
समति
7, third line. Punarapi bata muhyati.
श्लोक नंबर 7
Third line. Punarapi bata.
sorry पुनरपि बत मुह्यत्येन sorry पुनरपि बत मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवह्युत्यैन्यगादीः पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाद्वोपगामी मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदक्पदार्थं कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवह्युत्यैन्यगादीः इति सुविदितते परम किमु बहुक्त्या त्वत्पदाम्बोज भक्तिं सकलभयविनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तद्विधूयामयान्मे गुरुपवनपुरे स त्वय्युपाधत्स्व भक्तिम्.
Next, go to next dashakam. Fourth shloka.
अन्वाचरुन्नपदि सन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं त्वं भ्रातृमान् बदरिकाश्रममध्यवात्सीः शक्रोधते समतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्याङ्गना परिवृतं प्रजिघायमारम् कामो वसन्तमलयानिलबन्धुशाली कान्ताकटाक्षविशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्महुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयाध जगदे मृदुहासभाजा भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्तसुराङ्गनो वो मन्मानसं द्विहजुषुत्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन
दक्षस्तु धातुः
दक्षस्तु धातुरतिलालनया रजोन्दो ज्ञात्यधृतस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तिरासीत् येन व्यरुन्ध स भवत्तनुमेव सर्वं यज्ञे च वैरपि सुने स्वसुतां व्यमानीत् क्रुद्धे समर्दितमखः स तु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहराधरलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश.
Good, well recited, nice. We'll go to dashakam 17, Panchanadam Swaminathan. You can unmute and switch on your video. Ram. You can begin dashakam 17.
17. Okay, let me go there. I'm using the text from the portal, so 17. Dhruva right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Uttanapadan Drapater Gunumandanasya Chaya Babhuva Surachirnitaramabhishta Anyasumi Chiriti Bharthur Nadruthasa Swame Vanityamagati Sharanam Dhatha Bhut Anke Pitus Surji Putra Kamuttamantam Drishtva Druvastila Suniti Sutodhirokshyan Achikshipe Kileshu Sutaram Suruchya.
Sloka number 7, Twaddarshana.
Sloka number 7. Twaddarshana Pramata Bharata Ankithantam Tribhyam Nimagnamiva Rupa Rasayanete Tushtushamanavamagam Tushtushamanamavaghamya Kapola Deshe Samskrittavanasi Dharena Tata Dharena. तावद्विभूतभिमलनुवन्तमेनम् आभाषपतास्तमवधन्यतति तदीयभावम् राज्यं
श्लोका number 11 अन्ते भवत्पुरुष
अन्ते भवत्पुरुषनीत विमानयातः मात्रा मात्रा समं ध्रुवपदे उदितोऽयमास्ते एवं स्वभृत्य जनपालनलोलधिस्त्वं वातालयाधिपनिरुन्दिममया ममामयौघान्.
very good so shloka 18 shloka number 2 papopi
पापोऽपि चितिततलपालनाय वेनः पौराज्यरूपनिहितः कठोरवीर्यः सर्वेभ्यो निजबलमेव संससन् भूचक्रेतवयजनान्यं तयोरसीदे संप्राप्ते हितकथनाय तापसौभे.
shloka number 6 18th dashakam shloka number 6
भूयस्तां निजकुलमुख्यप्रयुक्तैः देवाध्यैः समुचितचारुभाषणेषु अन्याधीन्यविलसितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं स्वरभितः पुदुपुस्त्वम् आत्मानं यजति मकैस्त्वयि विधामन् आरब्धे शततमवादिवेदयागे स्पर्धालुशतमकश्चेत्
shloka number 9 line 3 shloka number 9 line 3
सत्रस्तं मुनिनेवहं हितानि शंसन् ऐक्षिताः सनुखमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात् विज्ञानं सनकमुखोदितं दधानः स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो मनान्तसेवी तत्तादृक् सत्वरं मे रोगौधं प्रशमय वातकेघवासिम्. इति श्रीमन्नारायणाय प्रतिचरितं नाम दशकं समाप्तम्. Next one. Krutosthu nappa.
very good enough good enough ram sarvebhya so we have gone through mock tests for 18 dashakam so 9 different people have given so you have an idea of how exactly the mock test will be conducted now so we will have 5 judges for this mock test you have 25 dashakams as you know we will have 5 different judges for mock tests so each of them will be taking for 5 dashakams let's say judge 1 for dashakams 1 to 5 judge 2 for dashakam 6 to 10 and so on judge 5 for dashakam 21 to 25 most probably this will be conducted on a Zoom meeting so all of you who have registered yourself please download Zoom I think most of us already have Zoom these days so there's a feature in Zoom called breakout rooms so where you will be sent to so the judges will be in the same room and the participant will go from one room to another room 1 for dashakam 1 to 5 and room 2 for dashakam 6 to 10 and so on so I will send you the schedule and I will ask you to choose your slots and so on also so test will approximately for each participant will be for half an hour to 35 minutes 30 to 35 minutes you will have test so be ready for that and you will have the slots to pick of 1 hour 2 or something like that okay so that is how the test will be conducted more details I will send you through mail and those who have not received the link for registration I hope you have received it now through the chat box if you have not received the mail then please send me or vyoma.samskritabhatashala it is better you send it to them that you are not in the Narayaniam group mailing you have to be added somehow that is the update for today I think next class that is next weekend we will have class as usual so today no new shloka we have just gone through divisions of most previous dashakams and I have revised dashakam 25 next week we might have the test itself or we might start the 26th Dashakam. I will send that through mail. Nonetheless, we will have a class during this time. We will anyway have the Narayaniam class. Whether we have the test or new Dashakam, if the test in a different slot, then we will have a new Dashakam. So we will see that in the next class. If any of you have any pertinent questions, you can raise your hand. All of you, please put your hands down. Amogha, just put everyone's hands down. And then if any pertinent questions are there, just for 5 minutes, we can answer some questions. Amogha, you can just unmute yourself and tell who's asking a question, if there is any.
Okay. Jyoti Shenoy, please unmute yourself.
Ram Guruji, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, I have a question. Maybe I didn't understand it correctly. Now, when we choose the slots, it is for the timing. We have to choose the timing, right? Which time it is?
Correct. Time only. So we will have, because we have a lot of participants. So the test will not be just on one day. We will have it on multiple days over multiple time slots. So you will have to choose your slot, which day is most comfortable for you. That kind.
Yeah, and each panelist, are the panelists outsiders or like Amogha and all that? Whom we know
And
or
the
whom we have
panelists, in the sense, you're asking about the judges?
Yeah, sorry, the judges, yeah.
Judges will be a surprise. We'll keep it on that day. Judges are quite accomplished. The panelists are still students. So you will have accomplished judges, yeah.
Okay. I mean, they are all from India, right?
That's okay. We don't know actually.
Okay. And my other question is, when we choose the slots, I mean, the particular judges are assigned to those particular dashakams. Is that what it is?
That is correct, yes. So that the evaluation is as equal as possible.
Yeah, okay. So they know which, when you choose the judge or when you choose the slot, you know which judge is coming, and then those are the dashakams. Is that what it is?
No. You will have to recite all 25 dashakams. Each participant will have to go through all 25 dashakams. The judges are assigned to particular dashakams, and you will not get to know the judge unless you, on that day when you participate, when you get into the room, only then you will know the judge.
Okay. Okay, but my question is, suppose a person has joined only from the 11th dashakam and is thorough up to 25, but wants to know how the person is performing. Like if the student wants to know how he is performing with the pronunciations and dictions and all that to feel confident. So is that okay to join?
Yeah, it is absolutely okay. You have to, like anyone who has joined any time can give test for dashakams 1 to 25. So this is 1 to 25. So everybody has to recite 1 to 25. And afterwards, you will get a feedback in terms of marks and maybe some remarks also from the judges, which might be general or specific. So that all those kind of feedback. Surely you will get your marks card after that.
Yeah.
And if you performed well enough and the higher grade, all of you will be awarded a certificate.
Yeah, but is there any concession, like if the person is wants to do only from the 11th to 25th?
Currently, it is very difficult to have only because we are deciding to award certificates for this. So if we keep only a part of it, it will be difficult for us to certify that a person has learned from Dashakam 1 to 25. So that is why we have decided not to have that. So if you go on ahead, then we will go on for you can go on for 26 to 50.
Oh, okay. Otherwise, this has to be from 1 to 25.
1 to 25, yeah. See, even if you're not very confident, I say you better go for it. Even if you know from 11 to 25, that is 60% you know very well. And you let's say you performed quite well in 1 to 10 also, not as well as 11 to 25. Still, you will have a good percentage of marks on the whole, because all of them are going to be averaged out. So you will have a good percentage of marks, which you will still get a certificate.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Even if you learn only a few dashakams, I encourage all of you to register and participate in the test.
Yeah, because the other dashakam also takes quite, you have to be thorough with all of them regarding tune and pronunciation and all that.
Correct. That's okay. So that's why we have all the recordings. I know it is little difficult, but it is absolutely possible. Many tunes are same, and the difficulty level is quite the same. So once you listen multiple times, you have a hang of reading through, then you can surely read the other dashakams also. That is the idea of this course. So once you are through this, you should be able to read new shlokas for yourself with right pronunciation and everything.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay.
Ram. Yeah.
Are you going to take the revision for the students for the 25th dashakam now?
No, no more revision today. So we will take only some questions and we'll finish the class.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Guruji, for your time. Thank you very much.
No. Ram. Any other questions, Mogha?
Gayatri Vishwanath.
Ram, sir.
Ram.
Yeah, now you said now when we have this jumbled mock test we had just now. Now suppose we are now you will be going dashakam wise, or it will be now suppose we are you are taking 1 to 5 dashakam. Now you are telling asking us from 1 or 2 or 3 whatever the dashakam number. You will switch back to the first dashakam, or it will go in line like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is up to the discretion of the judges. Mostly, generally 90-95% it will be in order. But it is again up to the discretion of the judges. They can ask you again from a previous dashakam. It is possible.
Previous dashakam. Okay, fine. No, I just wanted to know that because immediately we have to go back to now. Suppose if we are, okay, this will be only 5 dashakam slots, so it will not be much of a problem. Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, that is so. That is why we are splitting it so that it's easier. You have 5 dashakams and that's it. Won't be all 25. You don't have to flip through 100 pages. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Ram.
Ram.
Next.
Panchanadan Swaminathan.
Yes. Namaste.
Namaskar, sir. Can you hear me?
Namaste.
Okay.
Yeah, I can.
I know. You had I know it's a very hard arrangement with 500 students. My simple question is: you have 5 judges, and each participant will go through all the 5 judges, or the person is chosen by. Okay. So
each person will go to all the 5 judges.
So how does it work? I start with the number judge 1, then they will support the judge 2, judge 3, like that.
Correct. So if there are 5 participants will be going on parallelly in 5 different rooms. So you start with judge 1, somebody else with judge 2, and they'll go on cyclically.
Oh, okay. So it will be almost a long exam, like 30, 35 minutes, right?
Yes, because there are 250 shlokas, and we need and we are going to give you a certificate. So that should be quite a long exam. We cannot have 10-minute exam.
Yeah, I'm all for it. But the question is it going to be on the same day or everybody? You got 5 minutes?
Yeah. That is the whole thing will be the same day. Half an hour slot for one participant is going to be quite simple for them. It's only half an hour for you, so it is going to be on the same day. So not for all the participants, but for a particular participant, it will be on one day. So one participant will not be spread over multiple days.
Okay, I understand. Okay. And then you are going to, I have already replied in the email. You are going to send me the date, the calendar, how it is.
Yeah, the date. So once I have given registration time till Monday. So once I get the number of participants, I will have more idea of how many days to give for it and what kind of slots to create.
So it will be throughout the week, right? You will start on Monday through Friday.
Yeah. It will be throughout the week. Yes. Correct. That's right.
And I hope it doesn't clash with my other classes.
Yes. That's right. So that's why I give you choice of the dates. You can take your choice of the date depending on, so that you have no other clashes.
Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay. Ram.
Gayatri Vishwanath.
Ram. I think she already asked, right?
Is it okay?
He answered. My question was already answered, sir.
Yeah. I think that when you have raised your hand, I think if you don't put on your hand, you get confused. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. Anyone else?
Vatsala Jambunathan.
Vatsala.
Vatsala Jambunathan, you are self-muted.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Ram.
Ram. I'm practicing the shlokas and the dashakam. but the last part of it, some places it is a little confusing to split the words. I'm practicing with your shlokas and going through it. As you said, I was listening to so many people. They have answered many of my doubts in the question answer session. And some places where the slokas are starting from in between, do we get little time to go back and see where we start that sloka from?
Yeah, in the sense, see, if the dashakams are quite as the judges will ask very simple, in simple manner only. I asked the most difficult things possible to give you an idea of how difficult it could be. The mock test should be the worst case. So I gave you an idea like that. They will ask mostly the beginning of the shlokas. If you recite too well and you're too quick and very fluent, then they might go to middle and so on.
Okay. No, for example, the Dashakam 13, you ask somebody to say shloka number 5, third line.
Yes.
So that means by the time we come to the shloka and pick up that line, the tune may or may not be registering on us. Will they help us to pick up the tune?
Hopefully, but usually that just will give you a bland tune, because some of you, most of you follow the tune I have taught, but some of you have your own little different tunes. So they will just tell it without any tune, so that you pick up your own tune. That is the best, so that judges are safe. If they give you a tune, then you might get confused.
Okay, but most of the tune that you are taught, we are able to go through, but sometimes it's just learning from other thing. We are getting a little
correct.
That
is okay. The tune does not matter much. You should just have a pleasant tune, and that is the most important. Right?
Thank you. And I am in I am now in Indiana, in New York, in USA. So timing I can choose according to. So
yes.
the
That is why I have asked for the cities also in the registration form. That's why I asked for the place you live in, so that I know through what time zones people are there, so that I can schedule slots that could be comfortable for.
Question related to that, since I filled up my form giving my mobile number, but I am in USA now, but I forgot to mention that I am in USA at that time. So how do I change that timing?
That's okay. Mobile number can be anything, but I have asked for city of your wherever you are currently staying. I think that city, if you filled rightly, that's okay. And even that doesn't matter. You will, I'm sure, there are other people in a time zone, so don't worry. If you have registered once, it's enough. You don't have to register again.
Yeah, I'm following the timing that you are calling every time on Saturday at the same time. So that way it is quite comfortable. Thank you so much for taking care of. Thank you. I'm enjoying this session very much now. Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Ram Ram.
Anyone else, Amoka?
Geeta Vinod.
Ram Ram Mahoday.
Ram. Namaskar.
Just one question. I just wanted to know, like, I have registered on the link that I had received by mail for my daughter.
Oh, sorry.
But she's not joined. But she's not got a reply yet to the mail mentioned.
Which I am confused. What is the issue?
No. I want to know, because she had not attended any classes per se. I mean, she's been listening to your chanting, so I thought for Parayanam she can appear, and that's why I have given the name.
Okay,
yeah, so
that is fine.
You have not yet sent the schedule, right?
No, I have not sent any schedule. No.
Okay,
registration is still.
I want to know whether that got registered or not.
Yeah, that would be registered. Yeah, most of them.
Okay.
If they've registered on Google form, will surely be registered. No doubt about it.
Yes. Okay. I just wanted to know that, because I got a response saying that your response has been registered, but since she didn't get any mail, because the mail ID is different from what I had given for myself. So.
That is okay. That is okay. Anyway, you will get a response this week, because the registration is still Monday. I plan to send it once I get all the registrations in.
Fine. Astu Mahoday.
Astu Ram.
Kalpana Rajgopal.
Ram. Kalpana Rajgopal.
Ram.
Namaste.
I have sent a mail to Namaste. I have sent a mail to Vyoma Labs, but I have not received any reply till today. So what should I do?
We
Is there
will
any
look into it. For now, you have got the link. We will surely add you somehow. I know a lot of people have this problem. I have also been speaking to them. We'll somehow solve the issue and you will get a reply. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you very much. Ram Ram.
Okay. Ram Ram.
Ramesh Jayaraman. Ramesh Jayaraman, please unmute yourself.
Ramesh Jayaraman, Ram Ram.
Pushpa.
I think it's some background noise is there. We'll go to the next person.
Balaji, I guess. Balaj. Ramesh Jayaraman.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes, now I'm able to. Yes. Ram Ram.
Yeah. Ram Ram. Namaste, Guruji. You see, I find it easy to read and chant from the presentation which you have given. So, because in the book I find the font is not comfortable for me to read. So, can I follow that while taking the test?
Yeah. Most of the presentations are uploaded on the website, and this week the remaining, I think the last 5-6 classes, those presentations will also be uploaded. You can use them. The only thing is with presentations, it is little difficult to go through the shlokas fast because there is only one shloka per slide. I suggest you use the document that I have uploaded. I have uploaded the Word and PDF documents on the website. Those are there till Dashakam 25. You can download them and use them. That is better. You can zoom it to whatever this thing you want, and then you can use that.
Only thing is because like you are doing the dodging, say shloka from Dashakam 10, third line, then again switching over to Dashakam 15, fourth line. So that switching over may take time. So I hope that will be allowed by the judges.
Yeah, that will be allowed, and the switch won't happen so far. The switch will be quite close. So from Dashakam 10 to 11 and probably 11 to 10, that much only will happen. You won't have very big switches. So it is better you have a book or Word document, something like that in front of you.
Okay, and Guruji, now that means each candidate has to face 5 judges. So it will be for half an hour, and so like first will be from 1 to 5. The second judge will be frame 5 to 10. Am I correct? Is that how it will be going on?
Something like that. Yes. Okay. Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ram,
thank you.
Ram.
And
Ramesh Mahodaya, you have been self-muted. Ramesh Mahodaya, you are about to tell something, but you have been self-muted.
when can we expect the schedule, and what will be the time from morning to evening, or it will be some fixed times only in which you have to choose? Hello, are you able to hear me, sir?
Just a minute. Anna?
Guruji, namaste. Are you able to hear me?
I guess there is some issue. Just a second.
Namaste, Guruji. Are you able to hear me?
Okay, I guess there is some network issue.
Oh.
Just give a minute.
Ram, I can hear you now. Ram, I hope you are able to hear me.
Guruji, I just wanted to ask that the timing will be
I
spread
heard your
throughout the
question.
day.
I will
Or is
answer
it
it now.
only
I heard your
the
question.
evening only?
Yeah, the schedule will come out on Tuesday or Wednesday. The timings will be, you will have the timings might be morning or evening. So you can choose your timing. There will be multiple timings, hopefully. So schedule will come out on Tuesday or Wednesday. So after that we can take it.
Okay, धन्यवाद Guruji.
धन्यवाद. Ram.
Sukanya Krishnamurthy. Sukanya Krishnamurthy.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, namaste, Ram Ram.
சரி, இப்போ நாங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணலனாக்க கேட்க முடியுமா அந்த இது இவளோட டெஸ்ட் இது?
அது எல்லாருமே கேட்கலாம். அதுக்கும் the Zoom link, anybody, even if you don't participate, you can listen. If somebody is participating, you can call your family friends also to listen. Even if they miss out or class or anything, they can also listen. So no worries about that.
என்னையிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிக்குது?
இது வந்து mostly next Saturday it will begin.
Next Saturday it will begin. So timing also we can know.
Yeah, that will come out. That will come.
Okay, it will come through mail.
Yeah, it will come through mail. Everything will come through mail. Yeah.
For non-participant also.
Huh?
For non-participant also, mail will come.
Yeah, for everybody, mail will come for everyone. Yes. The schedule and that is the timing of the competition. You won't get the exact schedule of which participant is when and all. You will get the total share, like the timings of the competition.
So we can listen to all the people, whoever is standing.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Yeah. Dhanyawad. I think enough. I think we have enough questions now. If there are any other questions, please send it through mail, and we will take the questions if at all there are any. I think most of them are answered. It is quite clear as to how the competition will be conducted, how the test will be conducted, and other things. Any other queries are there, please send it through mail. I will answer them tomorrow. Ram Sarvebhyah. Thank you for attending. Shubharatrihi. Agrima saptahe Shanivasare Drakshyamah. Shubhamastu.